Sign said, resume normal operation, and the no wake zone is over, so I will change nothing. This is as fast as we can go. From far away, I thought the red buoys was out of place, but it's actually a kayaker. It was a little confusing because I was wondering why the red buoy was so far to the left. That makes sense. Now that it got closer, I was like, why does that buoy have paddles? Serious. Sun Odyssey 40. And just like that, all of the houses are gone. Right now we are on the Tolomato River, or Tolomato River. You know, Tolomato, Tolotomato, whatever you want to call it. And it's beautiful. It's like the Everglades or something. I don't know. It's like some wildlife area, it looks like. Okay, this is our turn. There's a boat anchored up there, and this is our turn. We gotta go up here. It's kind of protected.
Yeah. I like it.
All right. We'll head up there.
Are you gonna keep going after that, or are we anchoring for the day?
We're anchoring for the day.
You done?
It's like 3 o'clock.
Okay, yeah. Just dropped anchor and killed the motor.
We have some strong winds.
Yeah, we do.
So I'll tie the bridle.
Good idea.
Anchor is set well.
All right.
It's locked in there. We'll just check the depths here.
All right.
That's a good sign. Okay, cool. And it's almost high tide, so we'll check it again at low tide.
Oh yeah, good idea. Luckily the tides don't change too much here.
About 4 or 5 feet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna attach the bridle. We have some strong winds and they're gonna pick up even more. We were swinging a lot. All right, I'm gonna go do that.
Yep.
Yep. You can see where I do this a lot.
Oh gosh. So he ties the bridle all the time, so maybe we should use a different spot.
Yep.
There we go.
There we go.
Trevor, what's a bridle for people who don't know?
It's just attaching a knot to that side so that we have 2 roads going into one, and it helps prevent swinging.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
All right, let's tie that baby up.
That's it. All right, so around like that. And then around like that. It's good to tighten it up like that. And then around over on this side. And then through right here. And again, shout out to Gene at Salt Ponds Marina who showed us this. And
thanks, Gene.
Yeah, that has really helped.
He taught us so much.
Yeah, he really was concerned about our safety on this and showed us a key few things. You know, we didn't really have time for us to give us a full sailing instruction lesson. He was like, listen, I'm just gonna help take care of the main things, and you know, we only had a couple days, so I just keep it really nice and tight. Try to scoot this as close together as possible.
Looks really good.
Tighten it up again. Well, the winds are strong today. All right. It's good to go. So
right.
Then I'll just let this off. All right.
Connected over there, connected over here, connected in the middle. We got a bridle.
That's it. It's pulling us. It's pulling us really hard.
Yeah. Did the anchor touch the bottom?
Did the anchor touch the bottom?
Just kidding.
Yeah, the anchor actually touched the bottom, and that's why we're still here right now.
Oh, okie
I'm gonna let out a decent amount because it's so windy.
Yeah.
Just so we hold. And I want to make sure the knot is in the middle. So I just come back over to the middle, and it looks like it's pretty close.
Yep, that looks good to me.
Almost.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah. And the cool thing about this is you can have one side shorter, one side longer, depending on where the wind's coming from, so you can help point yourself in the direction of the wind.
That looks about centered.
Yeah. We'll see how that does. The winds look like they'll be bad for the next maybe 5 hours, and then they'll die down tonight.
Woohoo!
So we'll just keep an eye on things. A boat just came in and they anchored, and they're like,
Oh. Looks like we have neighbors.
okay.
We were eating dinner and we looked over and there's a boat.
They're losing their anchor.
I'm not sure exactly what they're trying to do.
They didn't really say anything. They just said that, they just kind of like laughed. Like I said, are you guys all right? And they was like, huh. And, oh my gosh. No, he pulled the anchor up. Can you drop the anchor? They're gonna hit land. I don't know what we could do to help. Oh, the dinghy won't pull it with that motor. He got it started. It looks like it died again. Went into that little canal area. Oh no. Oh no. Are they about to hit land? Oh, and they bounced off of it. Did he drop the anchor? Yeah, to try to pull him out. Yeah. I think he just dropped the anchor. He's doing something with the anchor. He's been messing with it for a while. Maybe just trying to drop it to not go any further back. We had just made dinner, so we're gonna eat this before it gets cold and then see if there's anything we can do to help. And watch this news about the coronavirus, because apparently there's like a 15-day lockdown now.
We've made the decision to further toughen the guidelines and blunt the infection. Rather be ahead of the curve than behind it, and that's what we are. Therefore, my administration is recommending that all Americans, including the young and healthy, work to engage in schooling from home when possible, avoid gathering in groups of more than 10 people, avoid discretionary travel, and avoid eating and drinking at bars, restaurants, and public food courts.
Wow.
If everyone makes this change or these critical changes and sacrifices now, we will rally together as one nation and we will defeat the virus, and we're going to have a big celebration all together with several weeks of focus.
So maybe you can just stand by. We'll see what they can do. They have more horsepower to try and pull us off, I believe.
Yes, and I'm also a little worried about my draft, if I can come close enough to you without going aground myself.
Luckily they have Cito, who is on the way. The shrimp and krill sounds like Rice Krispies. This is probably the most we've heard it in any spot we've been. There's islands appearing up there as the tide goes down.
Yeah, I saw those earlier. I was like, whoa!
Crazy.
Brrr.
And so Cito's on the way to come help him out, but it looks like they're moving further back now. Oh, no, that's not Cito. Is that Cito?
It might be.
Cito just got here. It's been about an hour, and luckily they got here before sunset. I'm interested to see how they're gonna pull these guys out. Oh man, hope they can get them out. Cito to the rescue. All right, they're going in. Alright, so it looks like Cito's leaving now. The only thing I could hear them say was, we typically don't cross those types of boundaries, and that's all I can make out. And now they're taking off. So I guess that's it. If anything, they're going to come back at high tide. I don't know how else the people are going to get out, but it's not going to be a high tide until, you know, it's really, really dark. Poor guys. Ooh, something big just splashed there. On a lighter note, look how lit up our boat is. $11 for two waterproof 33-foot rope lights, LED, that only use 1 watt. So we put one on the inside and one on the outside. $11 on Amazon. It's awesome, and they're USB powered, so we just plug them right into the charge controller. easy. And we got some switches for him. Off Amazon too. Uh-oh. No, we're good now. Makes it really easy. For like $20 we can have lights and they use no power at all. It's freaking great. And other boats can see us really well now. Especially matched with our solar garden lights from Walmart. I'll put a link to the USB lights and switches down in the description, and in the next episode, we find out what happens to our neighbors and we anchor in a construction zone. Subscribe.